Hey, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be turning into Spiky from Killer Clowns from Outer Space. I braided my hair like down the back and then I just like pinned it up in the middle. So it's like right there. I just like bobby pinned it 4 times. I think this is how it goes on. But before I put the ball cap on, I have to glue my brows down because I got to get that out of the way first. And then I have Prozade. I'm going to try to glue the cap on really quick. While we're waiting though, I want to show you. I don't have a wig, and I did try something like this before, and it doesn't look right without the hair. I took pink paper, I cut it into triangles like this, then I rolled it, and I like pinched the top. This one's like my bad one. I kind of pinched the top so they're pointier, and the goal is that we're going to like stick them on my head. I might just have to like trim them. I'm gonna try, I think it's Prozade. I'm gonna try to use that. If that doesn't work, we're just getting the hot glue out, because I've done it before. It's gonna hot glue them to the ball cap. I think it should work. I just glued like a little piece on the bottom. I'm going to take Maximum Impact's liquid latex and I'm going to go over my eyebrows. I have my eyebrows nice and glued down, but I don't to like help with the texture and stuff. And if the ball cap gets on them, I feel a little bit better if they have like a layer over them. Maybe 2, I don't know. So Spike has like green eyes. I don't have green eyes. I only have purple at the moment. Probably gonna go with these ones. So I've never used Prozade before. I have like the original one and I have like a cream one. So I might go in with this one. This is the water-based one for the original one. If I get good with this stuff, I'll show you how I use it. I just don't know what I'm doing. So, okay, so it doesn't look too bad. So we have the Maron Cream Blend Stick. Got my little handy-dandy little ghost guy. I'm just gonna start drawing on with the stick then. I don't want to go too far out because of the hair, but also like my head's round, so I have to cover it. Oh, I should have ordered a white setting powder. I just realized I also don't have to do my nose like as much. I'm just gonna cake this on though, because I want this to be as good of a base as I can get it. Oh my god, I wonder if I cut... Wait. What if I cut one of these in half? Put this here for the smile thing. That's way too big though, I think. Honestly, I just took the stick and I just like rubbed the paint on and I didn't blend it. Maybe I was putting it on wrong. I'm gonna go in with Snazaroo's black water-based paint for outlining this face. I'm scared. I need to draw the stars. I'll leave that. I'll fill it in after. OMG. I don't want to go up any higher. I feel like these are just like never gonna line up, so I'm just gonna keep going. There's my sad little stars, I guess. I want to get a bigger brush to fill in the black. I'm actually gonna switch gears. Let me get the hair. The face shape is hard for me. See, I didn't make any ears. I guess I should have made ears. I guess I'll just start gluing them down. I think I'm gonna take the Prozade. Again, the same one, the water one. We're just gonna go for it, I guess. Wrong way. Do I think it's too big? Like, what if I just, like... That might be better. Still a little funky, but now I gotta recut them all again. Let's try one, though. Hold on. Sure. It's not looking horrible. It could look better, but I think when we put the whole thing on, it'll look better. I'm like afraid I don't have enough pieces. Guess we'll see how many it takes. Oh, I missed this one, but I can show you now better. This is the little piece I had on the bottom, and then I just trimmed it to shorten it, but it'll look like this. And then I just cut around this part right here. Hot glue's in the way. Yeah, just like that. I'm just scared this doesn't look right. I don't know. I think I'm in my head about it. We'll just keep going. Okay, so looking at things, I need about 9 more to go around the back. At least. Honestly, I probably need like 18 more. And I have 4. So I'm gonna go make more really quick.
40 minutes of footage of me gluing
this is what we
these
got
to
going
my head,
on.
and I was gonna cut it down and show you. And for some reason my camera just didn't pick up, so I have 40 minutes of blank camera with just like music audio in the background. So
I don't hate it. That's all I'm gonna say. It only stops like halfway though. I didn't do the whole thing, obviously, but I don't hate it. I feel like with the fake nose, it'll work out, and then I gotta fill that in and do the mouth. And then we'll paint the green shirt on. I'm gonna be taking the blue from Wet n Wild's Fantasy Makers palette, and we're gonna do the eyeshadow kind of part. I'm like so happy. This is like the first, I'll show you at the end, but the first attempt looked nothing like this. It was like so sad. I was like genuinely upset about it. This is gonna take like an annoyingly long time because I'm going over my eyebrow hairs and it's like not going in. So I'm just gonna do this off camera really quick because I'm sure I have like almost 45 minutes of footage probably already. And then I'll be right back. So I took a little bit of the green in the palette and just mixed it so it kind of looks more like the shade. I can always touch up the black and like I want to adjust the stars before we're done. There's a little bit of purple under the eyes. So I'm gonna try to just like pat that in with my finger. It's not anything crazy. That should be okay. Now I'm gonna do the mouth, which I've kind of been putting off. So I cut these pieces to do the puffy part here. I just need to draw the line. I just went to wash my brush and I was just thinking like if somebody like painted the back of my head, it would be like I had two costumes, you know? Like you could have the face right here. I mean, obviously it's not perfect. I don't have it like glued down or anything, but like you could. Just for funsies if you like actually wore it somewhere. Just because I didn't do the whole head, but I guess you would do the whole head if you went out. Never mind. Alright, I'm stalling. So I'm nervous. I'm gonna do the mouth now. Okay, and then if you just... That's not the one. I don't think I made it as smiley as I should have. I think that's good. Now I'm gonna take the thicker brush because I also washed that one. And I'm just gonna fill it in really quick. This is Snazzuru's water-based red paint. Just because I like how this one looks more than the other one. It's darker. The other one's like pink when you have to paint over the white with it. I know this looks pink, and I look like a liar for a second, but when it dries it'll be easier. I can just repaint over it then. Okay, now I'm gonna glue on the dot things with the clown nose I cut up. I have more of the water-based Prosade, and then I have a Q-tip this time. Where it's just like soaking up. Maybe I should get the cream one out. So I just got a small one when I ordered it at the time. Looks like this. I'm making a mess. But I'm hoping that that works instead. I don't want to overdo it, but like I want to make sure there's enough. I think they're going to stay. Then I'll go in later and fix this up. So I just kind of kept going. I painted this on. This is supposed to be the neck thing, but like I used gold. I used the Athena palette by You Can Be Makeup. It doesn't really look that great. I don't know, in the lighting sometimes it changes. What was I doing? Oh, I made the ears finally. They kind of remind me of elephant ears, but I'm going to attach them here. I just have the water-based Prosade really quick. I'm going to do it. So I'm just going to take a Q-tip and maybe I'll put it here. I was actually going to put it on the ear, I think. I just forgot. So we've got one ear, one sad ear. I guess that works, right? I just need to go in and do the wrinkles now. So I don't know how I want to do that. It's like 4 a.m. by the way, in case you were wondering. So it's been what, 6 hours? Give or take, because I had to go downstairs a couple times, as I had someone call me downstairs. Alrighty, let's just go for these wrinkles. I have some black on the brush. I'm just gonna use it to... The amount of times I've smacked my head tonight, oh my god. I mean, if anything, I feel like I should have brought the hair in more. I feel like, Sonic. The hair. But that's okay. And maybe I should go over this really quick. The way that the hairnet is pushing Like, you can visibly see there's like a dent right here because of the hairnet thing. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I'll fix the black stuff then. I also keep forgetting the lid on the Prozade, and I'm totally gonna like spill it all over the floor. Then no, it will be bad. I don't know, I don't want to like mess it up with all these wrinkles. I can't do that. I was gonna scrunch my eyebrows to get like a crease. I need to do my neck wrinkles. I'm just gonna play around with the wrinkles for a minute, and then we'll put the nose on and see how it looks. Okay, moment of truth. Make sure my hands are clean before I run the nose. Here is my killer clown from outer space. This is Spike, aka, or Spiky, aka Spike. This is gonna look wrong in my sign off, but I need to go back and fix this. Okay, I'm going back in with the Glamlight palette with Nikki Tutorials, and I'm using Mikai because my mouth looks pink. I'm just gonna pack this on. Okay, so now this is the final look. Okay, so I don't have you on the tripod, but I took the nose off. I think this looks a lot better without the nose. I'm just squeezing this in here at the end because I don't want to refilm it for a third time because I was thinking about it too much. But here's the final look. I still have the shirt and everything. I kept these on. They're like falling off. But I did this. It was making my face look way too round and it didn't look like the character enough. This like made it a little bit longer. Yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Thank you for sticking with me through my Halloween videos. I'm sorry they got a little bit not on time towards the end here. But yeah, hopefully this is the 31st you're seeing this. I hope you enjoyed all the looks. And I'll be back to posting games hopefully very soon. I'm just going to take a little bit of a break for like the next week with the makeup looks. But aside from that, yeah. Let me know what you think. I hope you had or have a happy Halloween, and thanks for watching.